Alright, so what we have here is a Shontek DM2000 clock mechanism. It's actually quite delicate little thing. What happens is you get corrosion inside. Behind here is two contacts linked to the positive and negative, and you have to kind of tin them up with solder to build up an additional layer and then file it down. But if I just push it down, you'll see it'll start to work. There you go. And all it does, it's got a crystal and a little circuit board, and it just pulses. And obviously, second pulse moves the first wheel. That's the second, obviously, hand in the center there, and then it moves down to the minute. And underneath that, obviously, you'll have the hour, and you can kind of see the little gear underneath. So I've just managed to repair this one, put it back together.